Good evening, students. Today I am going to start the topic sign convention for reflection by spherical mirror. What is sign convention? Actually, when we deal the reflection of light by spherical mirror, it is actually we follow set of sign conventions. Set of sign conventions. So set of sign conventions to deal with the problem related to reflection by spherical mirror. This is called sign convention. In this convention, it has some rules. This is spherical mirror, concave mirror. And this is pole. In this sign convention, number 1, object is always placed in the left side of pole. In this convention, pole is taken as origin and this is principal axis. It is taken as x axis and this is y axis. So pole is taken at the origin. So object is always placed in the left side of pole. Suppose this is object. It is direction of incident light. Number 2, all distances are measured from pole. So second point is all distances are measured from pole. Next point is distances measured parallel to the x-axis and in the right side of pole are taken as positive, like this. Distances which is parallel to the principal axis, and it is in the right side of pole. Distances towards right, it is taken as positive. And next point is we can take it in the same point. And the distances in the left side of pole taken as negative. Distances towards left is taken as negative. Next one is height upwards taken as positive. So distances perpendicular to the principal axis and upwards taken as positive. And distances vertically and downwards taken as negative. Okay, so this is downwards, it is taken as negative. So again we recap. Rule number 1 is object is always placed in the left side of pole. This is object. It is always placed in the left side of pole so that incident light falls from the left side on the spherical mirror. Number 2, all distances are measured from pole because pole is taken as origin, so all the distances are measured from pole. Number 3, distances measured parallel to the x-axis and in the right side of pole are taken as positive, and the distances measured towards the left side of pole taken as negative. This is distances in the right side of pole, it is taken as positive, and the distances in the left side of pole which is measured, that is taken as negative. And the distances perpendicular to the principal axis, vertically upwards to the principal axis, taken as positive, and the distances vertically downwards taken as negative. So these are sign conventions which we will use to deal with the problem related to reflection of light by spherical mirror. So you can draw this diagram for sign convention, and you can note it, and you can take a screenshot of it. Now students, take a screenshot of this, and this topic is completed now. Thank you students.